Let us quickly solve this problem. A man standing 510 meters away from a wall sounds a whistle. The echo from the wall reaches him 3 seconds later. Calculate the velocity of sound in air. Now, the first thing is bring out your parameters from the question. Now, a man standing 510 meters away from the wall. This is distance. So meaning that our x, now I'm going to use x to represent distance this time. So my x is equals to 510 meters. Sounds a whistle. So the echo from the wall reaches him 3 seconds later. So it means that my time, let's say t equals to 3 seconds. So that is my time. Now calculate the velocity of sound in air. Now remember that this question has to do with echo. Can you see? Echo. So, and the formula for velocity of sound when it has to do with echo is v, velocity equals to 2x over time. That is, velocity equals to 2 times distance over time. Why is it 2 times distance? Now, let me quickly show you that. Now, let's say you have a wall here like this. You have a wall. And now, there's a man standing here like this. The man is standing here. Now, the man sounds a whistle. Now, the sound wave from the whistle will travel from the man to the what? It will travel to the wall like this. Now, because this is a hard plane surface, the sound is going to bounce back. It will be what? It will be reflected. Now, sound wave will be reflected and come back like this. And that is the sound you heard after it has reflected. Now, look at the distance it has covered. It covers a distance x from here to the wall. Now, before you hear the sound, again, it has to travel back to you like this with another distance x. So x plus x like this, it equals to what? 2x. So the distance is now twice because the man sound a whistle and the sound will travel to the wall, bounce back and come back again. So it traveled 2 times the distance. And that is why whenever you are dealing with echo, this is the formula. It has to be 2 times distance. You can actually use d to represent your distance. Anything. You can use s. Anything. As long as you know that you are going to be having 2 times distance over time. That's all you need to know. Now, all I just have to do now is that I have to just substitute to calculate the velocity of sound. And all I have to do is v equals to 2 times, what is the distance here? 510 over time, which is what? 3, right? Now, v is equals to, now 3 can go here, 3 here, 1, 3 in 5 is going to give me, you can use your calculator for this. So 3 here is going to give me 1, it's going to remain 2, so I'm putting it here. 3 in 21 is what? 7, so and 0. So I have 2 times 170. So if you have 2 times 170, that should give you 170 times 2, 2 times 7, 14, 4 remainder 1, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So that is going to be 340 meter per second. So, and that is going to be the velocity of sound in air. Thank you.